a drip.
Brr. It's wet out here. I need a roof. Aha! That leaf is the perfect size. Dry and cozy. Listen to the rain.
Stay cozy, friends. Subscribe to the Fable Fern.